Hey, what's up? Bertrand Techman coming back at you with another video. Now, if you're interested in saving up to 80% off of any product that you want to buy either from Amazon or Walmart or other stores, then I got something for you. Let's check it out. So in this video, I'm going to review a new online auction site called Macbid. Now, this site is designed as an auction type site to give you up to 80% off of anything that you buy from the site. And when I say anything, I mean anything. In fact, I saved up to half off of this particular product. So I know that it works, and I have spent a lot of money and saved a lot of money by using this site. Now, this video is going to go through and show you exactly what you need to do, from the setup to bidding to picking it up, with tips and tricks showing you how to maximize benefit from this site. Now, a timestamp will be in the description below, so you can use this as a reference guide to come back from time to time so that you can truly benefit from this video. You can sign in or sign up by going to the website. App on your iPhone by going to the App Store, or on your Android phone by going to the Play Store. And the website that you want to go to is called Macbid. So you type Macbid in your browser, and then this website will come up. Now, the sign up process is very simple. You want to go to your sign in and tap on it, and then you want to put your email address in. And then it's going to send a code to your email, and once you receive that code from your email, then you insert it. Then you complete the sign up, and it's going to save it. Now you can actually go to the site, and now you can start to bid. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice once you get on this site is you're going to need to set up your account. So you tap in My Account. Now here you're going to go to your profile, and then in the profile you want to tap in all of the pertinent information. And then at the bottom, you're going to want to make sure that you tap in email outbid notifications and SMS abandonment notifications. Tap on that, and then hit update profile. Okay, so now next, let's look at the actual interface itself. Now, on the interface, the first thing you're going to notice is at the top, you're going to see where it says My Warehouse, and it's going to tell you that it opens Monday at noon, and then this is where you choose the warehouses that you want in your region. So I'll click on this, and you'll notice this list pops up. When the list pops up, you'll notice here it says show me the items that can be transferred to my selected location. So the locations that I'm going to use is Akron, Warren, Boardman, and Beaver Falls. All of those are within 67 miles of my location. So once I click all of those, you can click on whichever ones that meet your specific location, and then when you do, you click Done. Now what that's going to do is that's going to give me all of the auctions that are taking place during those locations. So let's start from the top and work our way across. Here you have top deals. Now this is going to give you information about the top deals that are going on at the present time. You also, on the left side, you have filters that you can add. For example, you can click open box. Open box simply means that these are products that have been opened. Now granted, there may be something missing from them, so you want to be very careful when you select these, but you can go down and review them. Like new, if you click on that, this means that basically it is in a like new condition. It may not necessarily be new, but the majority of the time it will be new. And again, you can go and you can look at those, inspect those prior to getting them as well. And then the next one is damaged. Now these are going to be products that you necessarily, you can inspect them if you want to, but they will let you know that there are certain damage to them. As you go on down, you're going to see the auction close. Now these are the auction close dates. It's going to tell you the date and the actual auctions that are going on. So for Monday, February 27th, I have 8,396 auctions. Tuesday, February 28th, 7,796 auctions. And then Wednesday, so far, March 1st, you only have 9. Now you can pick different categories that you want to look at. For example, you got home and kitchens, tool and improvements, home gardens, sports outdoors, all departments, and then you can go on down. Since I'm interested in the electronics, I'm going to click the electronics. Now notice what happened when I clicked the electronics. Now in the electronics, you're going to see all of the various auctions that are taking place with their date and time. So let's pick one of these specifically and let's see what it's like to bid on one. So I'm going to bid on the Bose Quiet Comforter Earbuds 2. So I click on it and now you'll notice what comes up. It gives you a description of the actual product. It gives you a picture of the actual product. And on the other side you have the product's name. Right now I bid at $64. My maximum bid is $65. So let's start from the top. You got $64 bid. So it say I'm saving 79.3% off the retail price. The bid is going to end in 2 days, 6 hours, and 0 minutes. Here is the location of the bid, Akron, Ohio. And it says no transfers, which is important. This means that it will not be able to be transferred from other locations. In other words, you have to pick it up at this Akron location. Now, I set my maximum bid to $65. When you click on this, you'll see a drop-down box. Now, you can set your bid to whatever you want to there, and you click Bid Now. Now, my maximum bid is $70. And here it says add buyer's insurance protection devices. Any devices that usually cost over $100, I will go ahead on and buy the buyer assurance protection for it. What that does is that gives you the ability to get a 5-day business day return guarantee. In other words, you can return this regardless for whatever reason within 5 business days if you buy that. And then directly below it, you have your watch or unwatch. You click on this to watch it or unwatch it. Now you have a share link. You can copy this link if you want to by copying it, and then you can share it with whomever you want to, either on Facebook, Twitter, or via email. At the bottom, it's going to tell you the actual location, the pickup location, which is Akron, Ohio, and then the transfer options, no transfer. Now, if you want information about the product itself, you go here to where it says product information. It tells you the condition is open box. The description is not being tested. Gives you the dimensions and a UPC code. Now if you want to do further research on it, you click the research button, and it's going to take you to 9 times out of 10 to Amazon. And when you get here, you can click on this and it'll give you more information about that particular product. The dollar deals. The dollar deals, once you click on it, this will give you an opportunity to see some of the other options that are going on, and you can bid on these as well by simply find out what the current bid is, place your bid. Trending. Trending gives you an idea of what's trending right now. What are some of the hot things that are going on at this particular time? And you'll see a list of those, and of course you can choose to bid on these as well. Now say if you want to look for something specific. For example, right now I need a washer. So I type in the search. I type in washer, and then you'll notice it gives you all of the different washers that are being bidded. But down at the bottom it says see all 40 results. So I tap on it. Now all of the washers, anything that has the word washer in it, pressure washer or washing machine, all of those will come up, and you simply choose which ones you want to bid on. Now let's look at Premium Buyers Club. It has something that's called a Premium Buyer Club. Now this is roughly $30 a month, and I have this because what it does is it gives you the ability to return 1 item per month, roll over up to 5 or 6 max. It extends your removal hours. In other words, you can start your pickup at 10 a.m. rather than at noon. Automatic holds. You get an automatic additional 5 days to pick up all items no matter the size. You get unlimited free transfers, and you get automatic transfers once you set it up to eligible transfer destinations only. And I think that this is a good option to get, especially if you're going to frequent this place. Okay, so now let's look at some other things. Now after you have won your bid, you tap on my account, and then you go to awaiting pickup. When you tap on this, it's going to tell you your pickup status. In your pickup status, I have 3 products to pick up. I have one from Warren. It gives you the address, it gives you the location, and then the lot number, and then the pickup details. And I also have some in Akron as well that I need to pick up. And you will simply go to the store. You will pick up a cart on the outside of the store. You would check in, and then you would follow the location number and the lot number, pick it up, and then you would go and check out. Now, payment methods. Now here, this is where you would go and add your payment methods. You will simply come here, add a method, and then you will put the name of the card and follow the prompts and then add it. And then this is how they're going to take payment for whatever devices or whatever products that you have bought. So let's look at this whole format here. Here you have awaiting pickup, and this is going to give you an indication of what products you have won, bought, paid for, and they are waiting to be picked up. So you click on this and it shows you the information here. Watch list. What this does is it shows you whatever you're bidding on presently, and it's going to give you a list of it. Purchase history. This is where you go to look and see all the things that you have bought and the history of them, and you can get information on that. Keyword notifications. Now, if you are looking for a specific thing and you want it to give you a notification, then you would type a keyword here. So here, for example, I'm going to type in iPhone case. Now it's going to add that to my keyword list, and it's going to send me a notification when that particular product comes up. Now, here is the location, and you have to put in the location that you want the list to the products to come from. So I tap Warren, I put in Warren, Boardman, Beaver Falls, and Akron. Now, if no locations are selected, you will be notified a keyword match across all notifications, which is kind of useless because that's just going to clutter your email and you won't be able to get those products anyway. Here's a tip that will save you a whole lot of pain and trouble. When you're bidding on something, make sure that you see, if it's not in your location, make sure you see this symbol. If you see this symbol here, that means that it can be transferred from one location to another one. If you do not see that symbol, then that means it cannot be transferred. For example, if I click on Warren, now if I click on this product, and if I bid it on it, you see where it says this item cannot be transferred. So that means that I would have to go and pick it up. So you want to make sure that whatever item you're bidding on, if it's not in your location, that you are able to either pick it up or decide not to bid on it. Another tip, when you're bidding on options, pay attention to the countdown here. Anytime you bid on something, if you place a new bid within 2 minutes, it's going to automatically start the auction over again, the bidding over again. And that is designed, of course, to keep you bidding. So generally I wait until about 2 minutes prior to, and then that's when I put my up bids if I want to go higher on my bids. Also, keep in mind that when you buy something, this is what will be included in the cost. You're going to have a buyer's premium. That buyer's premium is going to be 15% of the total cost of the product. They're going to charge you a $2 lot fee, and then they're going to charge you taxes. So all of that will be included. So here you see I got it for $6. They took buyer's premium was 90 cents. Lot fee was $2. And then taxes was 0.60 cents, and then the total cost $9.50. So Macbid is an excellent way to get up to 80% off of any purchase that you want. I would certainly recommend it. You can use this as a reference guide to come back from time to time to see how to use various things or to help you get ideas on how to place bids. Now, if you found value in this tutorial, video, review, guide, then help a tech brother out. Hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment. In the comment section, let me know, do you know of any other types of online auction sites like Macbid, and how beneficial are they to you? I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.